So here is the login screen. Everybody who is using Equalify should have a login. Now I'm showing you the managed version of Equalify. This is the version of Equalify that we manage and support, but you can also use Equalify as an open source piece of software. Once you get in here to Equalify, you will see a screen with 4 key links on the top: reports, scans, settings, and my account. I'm going to go ahead and click on settings. That's going to give me a properties page. So under properties, I can add a new property. Let's name the property. I'm going to call it decubing pages. And then I'll add a sitemap URL. You can use sitemaps with a single layer or multi-layers of pages. So let's grab a sitemap URL here. I want to use a sub-sitemap. So I'm going to click on a sub-sitemap, copy the URL for that sitemap, and paste it into Equalify. Now, as that sitemap is saved, I want to start to scan it. So I'm going to go in and edit that property again, and I'll send it to a scan. Now, once this property is sent to a scan, our Equalify scanner is going to scan all the pages. So I'm going to process each scan. I'm just going to click this process button. And as I process a scan, each scan will be processed. So I'm basically processing a page. Now, I should note here that this might seem a bit cumbersome, that I had to manually go and click process scan. We're open to any features you want. I think a really great feature to add on in the future will be an automatic scanning feature. So hopefully we'll add that pretty soon, but please let me know. Blake@decubing.com is my email, or you can email me where I sent this video. So let's go now into reports. Now I can actually report on a property since I've had a scan. I'll call this decubing pages. I'll update the title for that report. And then I'm going to make sure that that report is only looking at the property I scanned. So under properties, I'm going to add decubing pages. Now it's really important to note that we can preview the updates made to report, or we can save it for everyone. Since this is the first scan I'm doing, I'm just going to save the filters for everyone, and voila, we have a report. This report is going to show a few things. So first, it's going to show how the issues changed over time. So right now, I just scanned the page, so it's not really showing that much. It's showing that there's 86 active issues for this month. Now next month, you might see that the active issues go down and some fixes go up, hopefully. And we continue to report on things throughout the life of the issue. So as your issue evolves over time, as it becomes active, as it becomes fixed, we're going to report over that over time. Then I also have these handy dandy boxes with key information. So below the timeline, you'll see a box with messages. These are key messages filtered by the message with the most active issues. So landmarks must have a unique ARIA label as the most active message. And then below that, you'll see different tags that I've saved here related to the different issues, and the URLs that are seeing the issues on it. I can click into any one of these pages. So for instance, if I wanted to find more about that issue around landmarks, I'm going to click on that landmarks page, and I'm up on a new page now, and it shows a little bit more detail about the message. It shows how that message evolved over time, how many issues were related to that message. I can click more info to understand more about that message. And then I can see the actual code areas where that message is popping up. So all the different code areas are there. I can then go and click into a page. And on this page view, I'm seeing all the different errors, not just that one message, but every single error. And as I fix it again, the Equalify will track all the fixes related to that page. If I deleted the page, it basically just ignores all the issues. I'll go back to reports now and edit the report. So if I wanted to really just focus on one different tag and didn't want to have a cluttered place, so say I didn't want to put in best practices, I'll search for a new tag. So say I want to just focus on semantics category. So I'll click on that. I'll save filters for everyone, and voila, I'm only showing issues relating to that semantics category. These reports can be updated as much as you want with all sorts of things. Now, say I fixed something on a page. So I'm going to go to a page, this felt test page, and say I fixed a few of the errors. Equalify won't know immediately in this version if the errors are fixed. To understand if the errors are fixed, you have to do two things. First, you click Send to Scan, and now once I have sent to scan, I just have to click Process Scan. And those two things have to be clicked in order for us to see when the issues are fixed or not. I hope you enjoy Equalify. Keep trying it out. Let me know if there's any errors. Let me know if you have any feature ideas, any ideas to make Equalify simpler. This is very much the first version and very much the first version of the first version. So please let me know if you have any issues at all. Thanks so much, and thanks for watching.